Good morning, children. Now we know what are exponents. So today we shall learn about laws of exponents. First, let us learn to multiply two numbers in exponential form with the same base. We know 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. Now, both 8 and 4 can be expressed in exponential form as 2 to the power 3, which is 8, and 2 to the power 2, which is 4. So, 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 is equal to 32. Right, children? Now, 32 is product of 5 2's. So, 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. Thus, here 32 can be replaced by 2 to the power 5. See, 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Here we multiplied two numbers with the same base, which is 2. As 5 is equal to 3 plus 2, we can write 2 to the power 5 as 2 to the power of 3 plus 2. So, 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 plus 2. What can we say? We can say when we multiply two numbers with the same base, we can simply add the powers to get the result. Hence, 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 5. Clear? Now let us take another example, 9 multiplied by 81. Let's convert this into the power notation. 9 is 3 squared, meaning 3 multiplied by 3. And 81 is 3 to the 4th power. That is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So, it is like multiplying 6 threes. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is 3 to the power 6. So, when we multiply 3 to the power 2 with 3 to the power 4, we just add the exponents. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and the base remains same. So, the result is 3 to the power 6. Now, you may wonder what happens in the case of negative numbers, that is base is negative. Let us see. Let's say the base is negative. Like here, minus 5 to the power 2 multiplied by minus 5 to the power 3. If we break it down, we find that we need to multiply 5 minus 5's. See, we are multiplying minus 5 times. So, it can be written as minus 5 to the power 5. Right, children? As 5 is equal to 2 plus 3, we can say minus 5 to the power 2 multiplied by minus 5 to the power 3 is equal to minus 5 to the power 5, which is equal to minus 5 to the power 2 plus 3. Now, what about division? Like multiplication, we can divide numbers with the same base very easily. For example, 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 2. We can write it as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. As 3 to the power 5 means we multiply 5 threes, and 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. Simplifying further, 2 threes from the numerator cancel 2 threes from the denominator. Thus, only 3 threes remain, that is 3 cube. Look, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, during division involving numbers with the same base and different exponents, to simplify or solve, we subtract exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. Now, what happens in the case of negative numbers? That is, base is negative. How to divide minus 2 to the power 7 by minus 2 to the power 3. Look, the base here are negative values but are same. So, the value of minus 2 to the power 7 divided by minus 2 to the power 3 is equal to minus 2 to the power 7 minus 3. Thus, the answer is minus 2 to the power 4. So, let us revise in short what we learned today. During multiplication of numbers with the same base, we just add the exponents and the base remains the same. For example, 4 to the power 3 multiplied by 4 to the power 4 is equal to 4 to the power 3 plus 4, which is equal to 4 to the power 7. Clear? What about division? While doing division with numbers with the same base, we subtract the exponent of denominator from the exponent of numerator. Here, 4 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 2. This is equal to 4 to the power 5 minus 2, which is equal to 4 to the power 3. You know, all these rules are known as the laws of exponents. So, according to the first law of exponent, if x is a rational number and a and b are the whole numbers, then x to the power a multiplied by x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. And according to the second law of exponents, if x is a rational number and a and b are the whole numbers such that a is greater than b, then x to the power a divided by x to the power b is equal to x to the power a minus b. So that was all about laws of exponents. Bye bye children.